Factorial of any number using functions, Python. Look at line number 4. Line number 4 is your function definition. As we know, the function definition in Python starts with the keyword def. What is the name of the function? The name of the function is factorial with one parameter is n. N is your input here. Line number 6 is your for loop for I in range 1 comma n plus 1. 1 comma n plus 1 means 1 to n. And s is equal to s multiplied by I when I is 1, multiplied by 1 when I is 2, multiplied by 2, and so on till n. If n is 5, the loop is to be repeated from 1 to 5. And line number 10, you are reading the number from keyboard using the input function. And line number 11 is your function call. Look at function call. Name of the function is factorial. Within brackets is your parameter. What is to be observed is spaces are very important in Python. We use the term indentation. Look at line number 8, line number 7, line number 6 and 5. Line number 7, s is equal to s into I is within the for loop. Within the for loop. And line number 8 is outside the for loop, that is a print statement. Line number 8 is outside for loop but inside the function definition.